colored. I got my color touched up 2 weeks ago. I've been getting my hair colored forever. I've been this color for the last like 4.5 years. So the last 4.5 years I've been blonde and I've been natural. I washed my hair today. It was straight for 2 weeks, and I washed it today because of my, so I rinsed out my hair. I applied my stylers as I normally do. So when I got out of the shower and I looked in the mirror, so as you guys see, straight pieces, top of my hair, especially where like the light blonde is, like right here too, like in the middle, it just doesn't seem. And then like I said, it's still not 100% dry, but this isn't how my hair looks. All right, hey guys, so it is a week, well actually 9 days later from when I last recorded. So I went into the hair salon today for a treatment. So I got a protein treatment done, and she also recommended I come back in 2 weeks. But I wanted to show you guys the update because I can honestly tell a huge difference. Like right around here, like before, over here it was like straight, and now it's back curly. That's where some straight pieces were, and then like on top I had like my curls are more loose. So yeah, and then over here is where the other pieces were, and I do still have some straight pieces a little bit. I honestly can't see it because I'm so used to doing my own hair. This part right here is like matted. Like I can't really separate it. So okay, so I just wanted to come back really quick because I just couldn't leave this part matted. First, I just wanted to point out this. So this, as you can see, is a way looser curl. Still not all the way back. So that's that little piece. I don't know why. Okay, so this part is curling back up. That part is curling back up, but it's like this part right here. I don't know why I feel like that it got straighter. This is another piece. I'm just kind of like going through and finding. Right here. Right here. Yeah. All right, hey guys, so I am back. A week has passed, well actually a week and a day. Today's Saturday. I went to the hair shop last Friday to get my protein treatment. So I wanted to give you guys an update as far as the progress of my curls bouncing back. So I wanted to show you guys like what I've been using and what I've been treating my hair with. So the day after I went to the hair salon, I used this, and I have a full video reviewing this whole line. The Blueberry Reparative Hair Mask, and this was like the first one that I grabbed because I love this deep treatment. And then I paired it with the Blueberry Bliss Hair Growth Oil. Like these two together like are a really great treatment. So this was the first treatment that stuck out. I'm like, yes, this is going to help bounce my curls back. And today I use one of my faves. This is my second jar. This is the Raw Shea Butter line from Shea Moisture, and this is the deep treatment mask. So I use this, and then I added just extra virgin olive oil. So I'm very happy with the results. I can barely see any more straight pieces. Like my curls are really reverting back, and I'm so happy about that. I do still have my little baby in the back, this one, and it's like a couple other little stragglers, but they're starting to slightly come back. Then what I've been using to style my hair, because I want to hit it from all angles, so I'm hitting it with my deep treatments, but then also my styling product. I actually have it in my hair now, and this is what I used after I rinsed out the Blueberry Bliss hair reparative mask on last week. And it's just 2 products. So the first one, and this is literally wet because I just took it out of the shower, is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is their leave-in conditioner, and I purchased this product about a month ago, but this was my first time using it, and I'm like, what better time? Because this product, it is of course made with Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Intensely smooth and nourished, natural, chemically processed, or heat styled hair. So I'm like, let me have my styling products working as well. And then I topped it off with their hair smoothie. Yeah, I topped it off with the hair smoothie from the same Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. Yeah. All right, hey guys, I am back with an update video for you guys on this journey I am on to get my curls back. So this is my hair. I actually just did it yesterday. So yeah, this is my hair. First of all, excuse my voice because my voice is almost gone and I sound like a man right now. So definitely excuse my voice. But just to kind of give you guys an update on the state of my hair, I know you guys can see it. So I still have straight pieces. So I still have these babies that haven't got back in formation yet. So that spot, I feel like I have a couple other spots. Besides there still being straight pieces in my hair just does not feel or look the same. Even the parts that are curly, like first of all, my hair feels really like mushy. It just doesn't feel, I haven't got back to how my hair was before I got it straightened. It's still like, even I did my hair yesterday and my hair is like super frizzy. And it's just like my curls just, I can't even explain. Like this whole like 4-week journey, however long it's been, I have not had any volume. Like my hair has been really flat. Last night when I did my hair, I used this. This is actually a new product that I picked up. And I had just been hearing about this. So I wanted to get it. It's the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. So obviously, like I'm looking for anything that has repair, damage, like anything like that. So I use this. I don't know if I noticed I don't think I noticed a difference from last week how it was, but I'm just so like, I miss my hair. I miss how my hair was before. I'm gonna show you guys, of course, an update after I get the protein treatment. All right, hey guys, so I just got out the shower and I just had to record this because y'all, this Curlific texture treatment, you guys, so I just used this for the 3rd time. Oh my gosh, you guys, this side was where I was having so much trouble with like those straight pieces. You guys, look at these curls. Like, do you guys see these curls? I don't even see any more straight pieces. This is just with the Curlific. Yes, you guys, these curls are coming back. So I still got like little pieces like that. But this side, I'm just like so amazed because this side was my trouble side. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot, like, look at this piece in the back. Oh my gosh. These were like straight, yo. And now these are all curly. All right, hey guys, so I am back with a quick update for you guys on my hair. Deep conditioning has brought my hair back to life. Between the protein treatments, and I will admit, prior to this, I did use strengthening treatments, but I wasn't using protein treatments. So now I'm definitely going to make sure the ApHogee protein treatments are a regular part of my routine, because I understand how important that protein is in your hair. Because after a couple of the protein treatments, I really started to see my curls bouncing back, and then I could tell each time I deep treated my hair with moisturizing deep conditioners and reparative deep conditioners, I could tell, you know, my hair was definitely coming back. So it was definitely a learning experience, and going forward, like I said, I'm definitely going to implement a few additional things into my routine, including those ApHogee protein treatments. And I just want to say, if you guys are going through any hair trauma, any hair issues, I feel you. I understand. Even if you have, you know, maybe some more damage than I did after straightening your hair, after coloring your hair, definitely try to do restorative treatments. Do some protein treatments and see how your hair reacts to that. I know everybody's hair is different, so everybody's hair may bounce back different ways. But I honestly thought I was going to have to cut out like some of those pieces, because and you may not have been able to tell as much when my hair was wet, but when my hair dried, my wash and goes were just, they lacked life. Not just the loss of curl definition, but my wash and goes in general, they just lacked life. My hair didn't feel good. I could tell it just wasn't as healthy as. So yeah, definitely try to rehab and restore your hair first, like if you do experience any hair issues. But yeah, I'm just so excited that that my curls are back. And like I said, I do have some pieces that are like a little bit looser than they were before still, and I do have like some straight pieces towards the back, but honestly, I'm not going to sweat it. I'm just going to keep deep treating my hair. But yep, my curls are back.